So, have you ever thought that every year when 22 lakh, nearly 22 lakh NEET UG aspirants are attempting the examination, then why are only 1 lakh students getting selected? So, mystery is still unresolved. But no worry, in this video, I will explain you. So, my dear students, welcome to the video. I am Dr. Runia, your biology mentor at Memonit. So, in this video, I am going to explain you why every year out of 22 lakh students, nearly 22 lakh students, only 1 lakh students get selected. That is nearly a strike rate of 5%. That is because, my dear students, out of the 22 lakh students, the serious aspirants which actually purchase a test series or purchase a plan for preparing for NEET are nearly 3,50,000. Let's suppose out of these 3,50,000, nearly I would say 1,25,000 students will attempt those tests that they have purchased and will attend those classes regularly. And out of 1,25,000 students who are attending the classes regularly and attempting the tests regularly, my dear students, only and only less than 1 lakh students will, after attempting, go back to their syllabus and see what they have done wrong and correct those mistakes. That is the reason. These are the chunk of students who get selected in NEET UG. So this, my dear student, is the competition. This is the real competition. So if you are aiming for NEET UG 2026, your real competition is not 22 lakh students. Your real competition is those less than 1 lakh students who are actually regularly attending the classes, regularly attending the tests, analyzing the tests, giving the tests, and correcting the mistakes that they do in those tests. So, my dear students, you have to have a solid plan. And we at Memonit are here to you with a solid test series and a solid plan. So, Memonit presents to you the Brahmastra test series. In this test series, we won't give you just the tests. We will give you the mistake book and we will also give you the revision plan. We will make sure that you are among those 1 lakh students who are practicing, who are studying and who are correcting their mistakes. So, my dear student, keep hooked because I am going to tell you still more important information about me. Now, you might be thinking that I am a class 12 student. How could I join another institute and increase my burden? So, no worries, student. Memonit is having different plans for different students to cater your needs. So, the first plan that we offer to all of you is for a student who is currently in class 12 and also attending a national level coaching institute. In this, what do you get? In this, you get a detailed structured plan which is aligned with your coaching institute so that you do not have to study for Memonit separately. The plan aligns with your coaching institute schedule so that you can go along with coaching institute, practice the coaching institute questions and also the Memonit questions that we give you, because here, my dear students, we are student friendly. So the next plan, my dear students, is for those who are currently in class 12 and planning to self-study. So my dear students, this plan is structured in a way wherein you start with high yield questions and high yield chapters of class 11. You finish it and then you start with class 12. You finish the class 12 completely and then you finish the remaining not so important chapters of class 11. So this is for you. And if you are a dropper and currently planning to self-study, worry not, my dear students. This plan is exactly for you. So if you are a student who is dropper and currently planning to self-study, this plan is for you, my dear students. Herein, what do? We cover the high scoring chapters of class 11 and build your confidence. Then we move on to class 12. We cover the high scoring chapters of class 12 and then we come to class 11 and class 12 chapters which are not so high scoring. So this plan is catered to your needs to ensure that you perform very well in the examination and you are among those top 1 lakh students who are your actual competition. And our last plan, my dear students, is for those who are currently bachas enrolled in class 11th. So you are a fresh to NEET. You are like a fresh tomato out of the fields into the market. So we have everything structured from the basics for you, so that your basics, that is the foundation that you build in class 11, is strong. So that when you go further, your foundation is such a solid wall that NEET looks like a small knife to you. And when a wall wants to crash a knife, it is very easy, right? So if you want to have a strong foundation with good concepts and good MCQ practicing resource, then NEMO-NEET, my dear students, is the best. So this, my dear students, is Brahmastra test series overall. If you have any doubt, you are always welcome to pop up a comment or to contact us at following detail. Okay, so see you enrolling in this plan.